welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing some freebies that I got, and this time it is from BzzAgent and PinchMe. These two are from BzzAgent. I'm not going to show you the front because it has my address. But anyways, I haven't received anything from PinchMe in a long time because I don't really go on there anymore, because for some reason to be able to get a free product you have to download an app, and I feel like that's kind of annoying. I mean, it happened to me like the last couple of times that I tried to go on PinchMe, and so I just stopped. And then this week I randomly got a box from PinchMe, so I was really surprised. So I'm excited to see what they sent me, and I will have the links for BzzAgent and PinchMe in the description box so you guys could go sign up. It is completely free. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. They sent me 3 things or 4 things. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so the first thing that they sent me are these Haribo gold bears, and they're gummy bears. So I'm super excited because I love gummy bears, so I can't wait to eat these. I for sure know I love these. Okay, so the next thing that I got, it is a face mask, and this one is an aloe vera face mask by Hikana, and it's this one right here. It feels really fresh already, so I'm super excited to try this out, and I will let you guys know what I think of this. Okay, the next thing, it is a lip patch, and it's this one right here. It doesn't say anything, like there's no name or anything. And see, that's the back, that's the front. It doesn't have a brand or anything. But anyways, I'm excited to try this out. I'll let you guys know what I think of it in my empties. Okay, and the last thing in this PinchMe box, it's these, I think they're stickers. Or is it for the nails? I'm not sure. But it's this right here. It looks like stickers, and they might be for the nails. It didn't come with anything else, so I'm not sure. It just says kiss me. Let me know in the comments below if you guys received this, and if you guys know if it's for the nails or what is it for. I don't know. But anyways, that is everything that I got from PinchMe. This is probably my favorite box that I've received from them in a long time. So anyways, thank you so much to PinchMe. Okay, anyways, now on to the BzzAgent products. So I'm going to open this one because it's lighter, and I'm excited to see what it is. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. It has like a little letter, and it just tells me how to review this product. And in here it is the product, and wow, the box is all beat up. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, another mascara. Jesus Christ. I just received 2 mascaras, one from BzzAgent and another one from BzzAgent, and another one from Influencer. But anyways, they sent me the Lancome Lash Idol Mascara, Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara, and this is what it looks like. And it looks like it's just like a little sample, and it says micro bristles, no clump, 360 pickets, feather light gel formula, feathery soft lashes, easy removal. So I'm super excited to try out this mascara. But it kind of sucks because I just opened 2 mascaras today because I had to review them, and now I have to open another one. And if you guys know me, I don't like opening more than 1 mascara at a time, but I have no other choice. And anyways, this is what the little mascara looks like. It's just a cute little sample. Hopefully you guys could see the words. Anyways, this is what it looks like, and this is obviously in the shade black, or glossy black. Anyways, you guys will be seeing this very soon. Okay, so that's the first thing that I got from BzzAgent. Now I'm going to open this second little package here, and as usual it comes with like a little letter of how to review my product. And this box is also messed up. Well, it's not messed up, it's just open. Anyways, this is, oh cool, another Lancome product. This is a Lancome Taint Idol Ultra Wear Stick. So it's a foundation stick. Oh, this is interesting. I'm super excited for this. I don't think I've ever had a foundation stick. So it says up to 24-hour wear and comfort foundation stick. Integrated kabuki brush. And they sent me the shade 260 Bisque. And so this is what the little package looks like. It's like really hard to see. So that's that. Oh, I'm super excited for this. So they sent me 2 Lancome products, and I'm super happy about that. Okay, this is interesting. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if this is a full size, but it probably is. And it says Lancome right here. That's what it looks like, if you guys were wondering. And like I said, they sent me the shade 260 Bisque. How do you open this? Oh, this is the brush. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the brush right here. And it feels super soft. As you can see. It looks super soft and it's just adorable. Okay, I'm excited for this. Can't wait to see the foundation. And oh my gosh, it looks like it is going to be my shade. Maybe a little too white, but it's okay. I could make it work. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm going to swatch it on my arm and see what it looks like. I mean on my hand. Ooh, this might be a little too white, but it's okay. This is what it looks like right here. It kind of blends into my hand. And it feels really creamy as well. Oh, that's really nice. It covered my hand pores. I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh, this is nice. Cool. So I'm super excited to try this out. So thank you so much to BzzAgent. I really love everything that I received and I'm super excited to try it out. And I will let you guys know what I think of this foundation. If it's too white for my whole face, I'm probably just going to use it as a concealer. So yeah, if you guys haven't signed up to BzzAgent or PinchMe, I will have the links in the description box so you guys could sign up. It is completely free. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.